YouTube and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be drawing something amazing, a phoenix.
Ooh, we're drawing the capital of Arizona?
No, Inky, a phoenix is a fiery mythological bird that can be reborn from ashes.
Oh!
Well, you ready to get started?
Fire it up!
Let's do it then! So, the first step in drawing your phoenix is to draw the wings.
Phoenixes have appeared in many books and movies, like the Harry Potter series and the Chronicles of Narnia.
You draw a very long line here, and another one over here. That looks like that. After that, you can draw many lines that look like this.
In the Harry Potter books, phoenixes have tears that can heal injuries.
And then you can draw some lines here as well.
Phoenix wings look a lot like eagle wings.
Then, for the other wing, I like to do the same thing, but a little thinner.
The phoenix appears on the flags of many cities, including Atlanta, San Francisco, and of course, Phoenix.
Then, I draw the head. I do a line there that curves over and then goes down like that for the beak. I do a line that goes down from there a line there and another line there, and then for the eye I do a sort of parenthesis shape there, a line under, and a circle inside of it. Then, I draw something that looks a little like this on the bird's head, and another one of those inside. After that, I draw a long line there for its tail, with another line there, several more lines there, similar to the wings. I bring it back up, and I draw this for its talons.
What do you get when you touch a phoenix?
What, Inky?
Bird-degree burns.
Then, I draw one of these, like I did on the bird's head, with another smaller one inside of it. And I draw sparks, like so, and lines here for a pattern on the wings.
You know what a phoenix's favorite snack is?
No, what?
Firecrackers.
And a couple more sparks. And that's how I like to draw a phoenix. I'm going to color mine in time lapse. And that's it for drawing this phoenix. By the way, thank you to my cousin Phoenix for suggesting this. If anybody else has any suggestions, then you can email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com. Thank you, hope you had fun. See you next time.
Bye-bye. And keep on drawing. Watch this. Well, that didn't work.